Manoj sir is the third co-director on the set.
कुछ मिरेकल हुआ था अभी 4-5 दिन पहले ही।
अच्छा
लैंडस्लाइड आ गया, अभी वापस चलो, अच्छा हो एक
सनी क्लाउड्स आ गए।
so the weather is a bit unpredictable वहाँ पे।
Institute of Acting by Manoj वो खोल देते हैं.
what is the craziest or wildest thing that you have done when you were angry? लास्ट टाइम कब आपने गुस्सा किया है या फिर स्ट्रिक्टनेस दिखाया है, कोई आपसे डरा है एक्चुअली? Hi everyone, this is your host Riya and today I'm in conversation with our own family. Welcome and how? I mean season 3 आ गया है and we are all excited to watch it. Welcome to the cast and maker of Family Man season 3. Welcome to Instant Bollywood.
Thank
So nice to have you. But Raj, I'm going to ask you, एक Easter egg डायरेक्टर हर कहीं ना कहीं डिटेल छोड़ता है. I want to ask you, सीजन 1 से ऐसा कौन सा ईस्टर एग है या हिडन डिटेल है जो आपने सीजन 3 में छोड़ी है?
Season 1 में
सीजन 1 की सीजन 3 में छोड़ी है.
call back you mean?
या an Easter egg that a continuity थोड़ी सी रखी है आपने कहीं ना कहीं.
Callbacks are is that Shrikant Tiwari takes a picture of a apartment complex,
अच्छा.
right? Takes a picture and he wants to buy a flat there. That has been his dream. The only dream he has in his personal life is to get that flat, 3-bedroom flat. So we have a callback to that as to what happened to that flat.
Okay. Interesting.
But also, you know, if you see, there is always a mention of what has happened in his professional career. So he's talking to Shahrif's character in the train that you'll see, and he's talking about all those days when he was scared, but still he came out winner. But this time it's very different, you know. So
Looking forward to that.
so it's also a smart writing by these guys and Suman, that they are not forgetting anything that they have, when the audience has seen. They always keep getting it, just to remind the audience.
Okay, interesting. But Manoj sir, I'm going to ask you, श्रीकांत का ना ब्लड प्रेशर काफ़ी हद तक हाई हो जाता है किसी न किसी चीज़ पे. I'm going to ask about मनोज. I mean आपका कोई ऐसा किसी चीज़ पे या स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक पे या कोई भी चीज़ पे रिसेंटली या फिर ऐसा कोई स्पेसिफिक वर्जन है पर्टिकुलर दैट आपका उस चीज़ पे ब्लड प्रेशर हाई हो जाता है किसी न किसी बात पे?
Okay, मेरा होता रहता था.
I was going to say he's a very peaceful man. Nothing perturbs him.
I mean, what perturbs me is just when I'm entering the shot, Sharif Hashmi cracks a joke. उस समय
Oh my God, talk about Sharif jokes.
I keep losing, you know. And that's just such a wrong time to crack a joke, because I'm preparing, I'm all geared up. And I'm worried about few things, whether it will fall right or not, you know. And then Mr. Hashmi comes up with something, the dirtiest of the joke.
Unexpected moment पे वो भी
Unexpected
है ना?
तभी मजा है ना.
रात की शूटिंग मुझे जो है थोड़ी,
हाँ, अच्छा
I
रात.
just love it too much.
He waits.
Night shifts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I've seen the trailer. I love the fact कि this time it's really very different. अगर मैं पूछूं कि आपको कभी ऐसा थॉट आया कि छोड़ छाड़ के कहीं जाऊं तो वो कौन सी प्लेस होगी दैट यू थिंक कि उसमें मुझे पीस मिलेगा?
Yeah, पता है, it's a very good question, because I have been thinking about it since 7-8 years, but I'm still not able to zero in
An exact place.
Exactly.
Too many
Oh
options.
God,
Too many
options.
options.
But which one's your favorite?
My favorite is Sea Mountains.
Oh yes.
But when you see those horrendous havoc that the monsoon creates, then I'm scared.
That's scary.
Yeah,
That's
it's-
scary for sure.
Yeah.
But mountains give us peace.
Yeah, it
Even I'm
does.
from Himachal, so I can
Yeah.
relate to you.
No, it does. But what happened to Manali, my goodness.
Oh God, yeah.
God bless Manali people.
Yeah. But Sharik, your joke के जो timing होते हैं, I have never seen JK a serious man, and I wonder कि वो कैसा होगा अगर JK serious हो गया एक point पे तो. But
हाँ,
tell me one joke from season 3 that you secretly love and you think कि ये viral जाएगा?
एक तो ट्रेलर में ही
हाँ, I know.
प्रॉमिस, और जो सीजन 3 में जो एक मेरा डेट के साथ में एक सीन है, मैं डेट करके आया हूँ
हाँ.
और मैं इनको बोलता हूँ कि अरे यार अभी मैं एक डेट से आ रहा हूँ, माँ भी साथ में आई थी, मेरे को मतलब समझ में नहीं आया कि मेरी डेट कौन है दोनों में।
Oh no.
मुझे लगता है वो बड़ा बहुत फनी है।
Funny हूँ. Okay, अब मुझे देखना पड़ेगा वो डेट कैसी जाएगी. But Tushar, welcome to the family, and I'm gonna ask you कि season 3 का best from the day 1 to the day last, what was your best memory and what was your worst memory? अगर मैं पूछूँ तो वो क्या होगी?
Worst memory तो as such there is nothing.
Yeah,
like,
unexpected.
Yeah, मतलब worst memory मतलब the obstacles that we had in a way that okay we are shooting in the northeast, आज निकले हैं और फिर लैंडस्लाइड आ गया, अभी वापस चलो, अच्छा हो एक so
Sunday clouds आ गए, you know,
so those are things. The weather is a bit unpredictable वहाँ पे, but then you still enjoy it because it's a breath of fresh air. The most memorable sort of, I think the first day itself was the most memorable for personal reasons, because the first day of the shoot, being a part of this family and coming on board as a director on this show, so the first, and then like being part of season 2 also, and then coming here and being here as a director, so that was something that I cherish, and like that was a special day for me.
That's nice. Also, राज, आपकी और डीके की जोड़ी ना बहुत ज़्यादा इंडियन रसल ब्रदर्स जैसी है. बट आई एम गोना आस्क यू, ऐसा कोई सीन के लिए आप दोनों झगड़ते ही होंगे कि नहीं ये वाला करते हैं, नहीं ये वाला करते हैं, ऐसा कौन सा सीन है दैट यू एक्चुअली फॉट फॉर एंड यू गॉट इट ऑल्सो?
I think we fight all the time. So, I don't have a specific memory, but usually I beat him down.
ओके.
I will-
मैंने वही पूछा सेम सवाल कि कन्विंस कौन करता है दोनों में से? बोलते हैं वो हो जाता है दोनों का 50-50. Now I'm sure.
to convince DK is very tough.
yeah, it's very
It's
tough.
very tough. So
very
we'll have to plan. I have to plan a coup.
हाँ.
I have to first see if this idea is flying with Sita or Suman or Tushar or Cheshta, and then when I know that it's working, then everybody then surrounds DK. घेराव करके then we convince him.
ऐसा कभी हुआ है आप दोनों के बीच में? आप दोनों का ही वो सीन नहीं हुआ है? मनोज सर आके उन्होंने इम्प्रोवाइजेशन दी, उन्होंने अपना कुछ ओपिनियन दिया और लेट्स गो विद हिम.
Manoj sir is the third co-director on the set. वो हमको बिना बताए साइड में लेके जाके एक्टर्स को
हाँ.
इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एक्टिंग बाय मनोज वो खोल देते हैं. वहीं पे शिक्षा होती है सबकी.
Crazy.
Your Hindi has improved so much.
My Hindi is another level these days.
DK has been trying since 8 years and he's reaching nowhere with it.
Crazy. But Manoj sir, if Shrikant as a character is sitting in front of you और वो आपको खुद एक एडवाइस दे रहे हैं कि मनोज तुम्हें एक चीज़ ये चीज़ नहीं करनी चाहिए इन योर पर्सनल लाइफ, दैट यू थिंक कि योर कैरेक्टर इज टीचिंग यू समथिंग, तो वो क्या होगी?
My character is teaching me something. It's teaching me all the time, right? to lie.
Lie better.
To lie better.
To lie better. Lie
To lie
convincingly.
better. Yeah. I get caught.
Oh.
I get caught. Invariably, I get caught.
हाँ.
Yeah. I mean, no way I can get through with my lies. But what it teaches, I mean, also the relationship, dealing with the relationship with such a calm mind. I think only once they fought, right? Like cats and dogs in first season. Right, Raj? Both of them, the Suchi and Shrikant.
Yeah.
When he was
That
drunk.
was the main scene. Yeah.
That was the main
That was
scene.
it.
That was it. After that, you don't see them fighting, but there is a lot of, strain.
Okay.
Yeah, since then. You
That's
see that.
crazy.
Yeah.
Okay. But is there any emotion for you that is challenging for you personally till date?
The most difficult,
Emotion.
it was always like that because I've done Biko Mhatre. So you know, the dreaded guy, you know, we rehearsed, found a way to make it humorous. I have done say Sardar Khan, Wasepur. Even, you know, at times he was really doing things which was very, very funny, but he was doing with all the earnestness. Likewise here, lying through the teeth, and the how to lie so that the other person will not catch it.
Okay.
So you are not actually acting for the camera at that point. You have to make it very real.
That's true.
Very, very real. Even the audience should not find it. Even the second season, when I go to Sunny Hinduja house, I talk to him about the guy,
Yeah.
he was shot dead right in front of me and all that.
Yeah. And JK is going, oh shit.
Oh shit, when was it?
कब हुआ? सही में हुआ था?
He keeps asking me, and I just look at him.
Oh God.
What a fool you are. You know? So these are the points where those are the situations you see, you think it's easy, but it is not.
It is not.
Yeah. I can't, I as an actor have to be very, very truthful to that lie. I should believe that I'm not telling a lie. Then only audience will think that way.
That way.
They should not find it that I'm pretending. Okay.
Yeah.
So that's one thing I always find it a little
difficult.
little tricky.
Tricky.
Yeah.
Yeah, that well.
Tricky.
Yeah, that's true. But great. But शारीब, आपके जो जेके वाली आई थिंक कि आपकी पर्सनली भी ऐसी पर्सनालिटी है
ऐसे ही है.
लाइक यू जोक अराउंड, यू ह्यूमरस, बट एज अ आपने मुझे ये जानना है बिकॉज आई एम वेरी क्यूरियस कि शारीब को मैंने सीरियस देखा नहीं. आई वांट टू इमेजिन हिम, बट आई वांट टू आस्क यू व्हाट इज द क्रेजीएस्ट और वाइल्डेस्ट थिंग दैट यू हैव डन व्हेन यू वर एंग्री. लास्ट टाइम कब आपने गुस्सा किया है या फिर स्ट्रिक्टनेस दिखाई है, किस कोई आपसे डरा है एक्चुअली में?
डरा तो मुझसे कोई नहीं है.
Oh no.
मेरी बेटी को मैं अगर एक बार डांटता हूँ तो वो मेरे चल.
Oh no.
तो हाँ, वो तो मेरे कान पकड़ के घुमाती है पूरे घर में. तो डरता तो मेरे से कोई नहीं है. मैं कोशिश भी करता हूँ थोड़ा, तभी भी. तो बट कोई नहीं, मैं काम चला लेता हूँ अपना दूसरे तरीके से.
The amazing thing is that all the weaknesses that Sharib has, even JK has it.
Yeah. I think so.
Sharib, JK loves eating.
Oh.
Yeah.
You should look at his face when he looks at the food, Raj. I have never seen anyone looking at the food with that much of lust. There's so much
It's
of
love, sir. It's love.
It's not love. It's lust.
It's both, I guess.
Yeah.
What's your favorite food?
Butter chicken,
Oh.
specially made by my.
Universal ये है, crush है.
He said butter chicken, right?
Yeah.
You get keema right here and start eating. Then you see.
Okay. But Tushar, being a director, I'm gonna ask you, which is that one thing that you personally felt कि ये कुछ crazy हो गया और ये season 3 का सबसे viral moment जाने वाला है.
God,
पता है.
इंटरनेट पे छा जाएगा टाइप्स.
मैं बता सकता हूँ तुमको. हैं? बंदर के हाथ में उस
I want to hear this. But give me one context about it.
One context.
हाँ.
I think, I mean, it's also both Shrikant and JK are standing at the balcony और फिर they're talking about कि कहाँ जा रहा है, तो वो बोलता है कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट. तो he says that नॉर्थ ईस्ट एक जगह का नाम है, रीजन.
वो मुझको बता नहीं रहे कोई भी चीज. यार तू मेरे को कैसे छुपा सकता है ये सब. तो ये एक डायलॉग मार.
ये मुझे देख के ही जानना है. Now don't say now.
That's
I have
what-
to see
you
it.
should
I have
watch
to
it.
see it and watch.
Yeah.
You should watch it.
Yeah,
You should
I
really
have
भी
to.
मजा
I
आएगा.
have to. I'm
Right.
dying to see. Okay. Lastly, we have less time, तो इसके लिए एक छोटा सा सेगमेंट कर लेते हैं. AI predicts. ChatGPT and AI ने आप सभी के लिए predictions दिए हैं और yes, आपको बताना है कि कितना हद तक सच है और कितना हद तक झूठ है, because AI never lies. So let's see.
मेरे लिए
if
प्रेडिक्शन
they
दिया होगा
do
कि
or
अभी
not.
बुढ़ा हो जाएगा.
Nice. Okay. But by the way, before that, who is a real family man? अगर मैं पूछूं, who's more emotional? अगर आप चारों में से कौन है वो?
I know this guy.
Emotional.
Really?
At the drop of his hat, he cries.
Why?
Yeah, even a good thing about the family members, reminiscing. Suddenly you see tears in his eyes. So this guy can cry on anything and everything.
Sweet.
मैं प्रेम की दीवानी देख के भी रो रहा था। मैं MTV में
He's like that.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
And which was the last time you cried? When was the last time
Just
you
yesterday.
cried? Yesterday. Why?
हाँ बोल रहे हैं हाँ
Why?
एक कुछ चीज मैं मतलब बेगम को ही कुछ बता रहा था, कोई एक चीज, और वो बताते बताते
Hi, so sweet. Okay, so AI predicts Manoj Bajpayee has a hidden talent that even his co-stars don't know.
अच्छा, क्या बताता है वो?
कि आपके पास एक hidden talent है जो आप छुपाए रखे हैं अपने पास. AI predicts, I don't know.
I don't know.
Even I don't know.
मतलब अभी तक तो सब कुछ इंटरव्यूज इतने हुए हैं जिंदगी
That's
में
why.
कि पता
What hidden talent you have?
what
Manoj?
hidden talent. I mean, I cook.
You can cook, you can sing, you can write, you can direct also on Family Man.
Cook देखा तो शारिफ के मुंह में
अभी क्या
पानी आया.
कुछ
talent?
सुनते ही ना।
You can dance,
But
you can
क्या-
lie,
डांस करते हैं, ये छऊ डांस सीखा है इन्होंने।
yoga करते हैं, sports करते हैं, you know everything. I don't know
Oh, wow.
what is hidden
क्या
talent.
What is
क्या
it?
बनाया लास्ट टाइम आपने जो
क्या
आपको भी
last time
टेस्टी
बना?
लगा था? कि
हाँ,
कुछ
नहीं बट कुछ मिरेकल हुआ था अभी 4-5 दिन पहले.
अच्छा.
One of my wife, she cooks very well. I mean, she's an amazing cook.
हाँ.
So that day she asked me to cook mutton, and I didn't,
You didn't like it?
I didn't think that it will turn out so good that I'll be surprised.
ये खुद बहुत जबरदस्त मटन बनाते हैं।
Right.
एक दिन मेरा शूट नहीं था, फैमिली मैन के शूट में, रात का शूट, नाइट शिफ्ट,
Night shift.
12 बजे मैं शूट पर गया हूँ सिर्फ मटन खाने के लिए इनके हाथ का।
Oh my god. Now I think how much you foodie are.
नहीं, एंड
आपको
कितना
पसंद
कबाब
आया
ये
होगा।
बनाते हैं खाना।
Right.
Amazing. करना पड़ेगा एक सेगमेंट आपके साथ, cooking
बिल्कुल।
while cooking.
Yeah, you should know.
अरे सुपर, मजा आ गया।
Yeah.
No, good idea.
कैमियो रखेंगे हम शारिफ को.
हाँ बिल्कुल, मैं टेस्ट करने आऊंगा ना।
Okay, AI predicts Manoj recently ignored a director because he don't want to work with him.
Oh shit.
No.
Who did you ignore?
No, I don't.
I can give names.
No, not at all. Not at all. This is that that proves that AI is going to go nowhere from here.
It said two things now: hidden talent and you ignored a director.
No, that's not a talent. No?
No, that I'm saying hidden talent also. We couldn't figure out what it is.
But have you ignored somebody?
No, I don't ignore.
Okay.
I mean, I'm in a way, yes, you can say because because if I, as I said in all my interviews, that these two guys, I love them, because they are my directors of family, also because of the persons they are, these people, the individuals that they are.
Yeah.
What make them, all of those elements about them, I like. But when I see not only director, any human not empathetic towards human being, other human being, I find it very hard to talk to them. It's very difficult for me.
I know, I
Yeah.
get that feeling. Okay, AI predicts Sharif can mimic Manoj's expression perfectly.
Yeah, he does.
नहीं
नहीं कर सकते हैं? Of course you can.
That is true.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल
Okay.
नहीं।
Can you
मेरे को आता ही
mimic?
नहीं।
Sharif can mimic anybody.
Okay, Sharif mimic Manoj sir's inner expression जो अभी out loud face पे नहीं दिखा रहे हैं. वो expression क्या
चाबी
है?
कहाँ है? उनको बाहर निकलना है यहाँ से।
Are you agreeing?
I will no comment.
Okay. No comment में comment मिल गया आपका. Okay, AI predicts Sharif once overshared a personal story on set and immediately regretted it.
Overshared
हाँ.
personal story.
On set
And
and immediately
immediately
regretted it.
हाँ, ऐसा हुआ है। कैसे पता?
किसके साथ शेयर किया था?
AI को पता है.
AI सब जानता है.
वहाँ उस दिन हम सब, शायद श्रेया और हम सब बैठे थे, तभी कुछ बोला था, बहुत ही यहाँ पे नहीं बोल सकता।
अच्छा, ओके, हाँ, रिग्रेट किया है तो अभी क्यों बोलना?
हाँ, वही वापस से नहीं कर सकता ना, एक बार जो मिस्टेक की।
हाँ, एक्चुअली. ओके,
भयंकर ओवर शेयरिंग थी.
Okay. AI predicts Sharif once trolled Raj and DK on set and blamed his character JK.
क्या क्या?
ट्रोल किया तो
आपने राज एंड DK को ट्रोल किया है और ब्लेम किया है अपने कैरेक्टर को.
और ब्लेम किया अपने कैरेक्टर को.
जेके कर रहा था मैं.
इतना टैलेंट नहीं है.
नहीं यार.
He's too nice.
Okay, but have you trolled somebody on set?
Never.
Never.
Trolled नहीं.
Where?
और मे बी एक humorous way में.
हाँ वो तो मस्ती मजाक तो
Sarcastic
बहुत
way
करते
में.
हैं. हाँ.
अच्छा. Okay, AI predicts Tushar has a celebrity crush, but he refuses to admit.
God.
That's a
Celebrity crush.
don't even utter a word because it is going to go digital and then AI will
और
stop.
वो भी और वो भी इंस्टेंट बॉलीवुड है भाई. सबसे भयंकर इनके वो होते हैं व्यूज.
Okay. Yes. True or false?
I mean, I don't think so. I mean, it's not
है कोई क्रश ही नहीं है सेलिब्रिटी.
celebrity crush.
Who is the celebrity crush?
अरे
There are too many.
Too many now. किसका नाम लूँगा अभी? हाँ.
Give me top 3.
14 साल की उम्र में एक था. 24 में एक था.
हाँ एक नाम तो ले लो.
34 में एक था.
बाकी लोग बुरा नहीं मानेंगे.
I think Salma Hayek, if I have to say.
Oh, it went foreign.
Yeah.
Okay,
Safe
now
one,
we
no?
know. AI never lies. Okay. AI predicts Tushar was the first person to stalk everyone's Instagram before joining the cast.
Did you do that?
Okay, what are they doing right now?
I might have, yeah. I would have done that. So.
Okay. Okay. AI predicts that Raj hides his phone screen while someone comes up near to him.
No, he was just messaging. I saw it.
Yeah, he read it. It's like,
Yeah.
oh, why are you texting?
Manoj just read it while I'm doing this.
Okay. Okay. AI predicts that Raj wrote a scene just to torture an actor they love.
Torture an actor they love. Yeah, sure, I did. I did. You'll see it in season 3.
The way Manoj sir is laughing.
No, because what I remember instantly is the counselor scene.
Oh.
I really thought that they have written this to torture me because it was a very the best thing is very unique thing is you've written it just to make Shrikant Tiwari uncomfortable in that situation with the counselor. You remember?
Yeah.
Asif was playing it,
Asif was there, no?
but it turned out to be the most humorous scene. Suddenly.
But I knew it just what was
Yeah.
funny. And you were so pissed off.
Pissed off.
Shrikant Tiwari was so pissed off. From the moment I put that shot, I still remember 2 cameras we had, right? The moment I put the shot, he was sitting there grumpy, and I knew it was going to work out great.
I think I'm gonna figure out after watching.
You will.
I think.
You won't figure
Not
out.
only
this
Only
one.
Manoj will figure
Second
out.
season.
Oh, acha.
Season 2.
But in this one,
Season
you're going
3
to
mein.
figure it out.
Oh,
He's saying.
definitely.
Yeah.
Lastly, AI predicts that Raj has a favorite actor that DK also don't know.
DK also doesn't know. DK knows all my favorite actors.
Right.
And
Okay.
unless DK doesn't think Manoj is my favorite actor.
AI predicts that Raj
Oh.
still teases Manoj sir for something he did in season 1.
Season 1.
Season
He
1.
keeps teasing me. So,
I
season
do
1 or
te-
not,
I do
no
tease
season.
him.
Yeah.
I do tease him on
Yeah.
quite a few things.
Oh, okay, that was the last thing that you have teased him for.
It later. Usually, I don't tease him on the set. Only when we sit around like this.
Yeah, right.
And I'll say, Manoj, today we're going to shoot till midnight.
Yeah.
Oh no.
That's something very
फिर
regular.
असली श्रीकांत आता है बाहर.
So the night shoot.
Okay.
He loves burning the midnight oil. तेल निकल जाता है.
Okay, that was deep. Again, JK के humor यहीं पे भी आ जाएंगे. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
It was
Thank
lovely
you.
having you, and all the very best for Family Man season 3. And hope you will do wonders and wonders. May you all grow and grow. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Hi guys, I am Tushar and you're watching me on Instant Bollywood.
Hi, I'm Sharif Hashmi and you're watching me on Instant Bollywood.
Hi, this is Manoj Bajpayee and you are watching me on Instant Bollywood.
Hi, I'm Raj. You're watching me on Instant Bollywood.